affordable turbo fan.
Friends. Good morning! So, I'm on my way to work no, and gamit ko yung aking Gojidok na turbo fan kasi sobrang init talaga mga mi. Aminin nyo yan. So, today is May 9 today. And yes, gamit ko yung nilalagay sa liig na lace for this fan. And I've been using this fan no for quite long now. And every day, walang palya. So this is my scenario every day. Sobrang ganda mga mi. It's highly recommended no. Matagal malobat, yes. Because kasi naka 5,000 milliampere na yung battery nito. Kaya yung battery life niya matagal maubos. Ayan. So naka 22 siya at the moment. Ay, ito po. Yes, itong black na building. Thank you. So ayan siya. Gojidok mga mi. Ayan, ilagay ko to sa aking yellow basket. Madaming kulay. And I'm sure this is over million sold na kasi nga sa ganda. So yun lamang no, yun lamang update for today. I'm already here at my workplace. So papasok na ako sa aming lobby. Just crossing the street. And then lobby na. Basta mi, ito guaranteed super high quality, hindi tinipid sa materyales. You've got what you paid for. Ayan lamang, lagay ko sa aking yellow basket. Bye now. Woo! Sarap. Bye!